examples of polarizations, right? For example, perfectionist versus demotivation. I need to do everything perfectly on time. I need to make sure I get the best grade. And the other part of us like, no, I don't want to get off the couch. It's too much work, right? Wanting connection versus avoiding rejection. The part of us that wants the connection with others, wants to be able to feel the love and connection with others, and the other part of us that wants to kind of separate and distance so that avoids rejection. A lot of managers versus firefighters, right? Managers are the proactive parts, right? For example, the part of me that wants to make sure I'm a functioning human being in a society, getting to work on time, doing my work in a good way, connecting with others. This could be a really good manager. And a firefighter could be the part of me that wants to watch 10 episodes of Netflix at 1 a.m, right? And so the next day, the manager might be like, what the hell? Why bringing shame? So a lot of that manager firefighter.